China is unleashing the next wave of robotic innovation, and the world is watching as their machines redefine industries. From AI-powered humanoids to factory automation marvels, China's largest robot exhibition is showcasing the future of technology like never before. Beijing hosted the 2022 World Robot Conference. Only Chinese robotics companies were offline owing to the pandemic. As usual, the Chinese stands had something to see, but the world joined digitally. Watch the most intriguing videos from the largest robot showcase. China is rapidly developing its robotics business. The country has been the world's largest industrial robot customer for 8 years and is generating more. Many industrial, medical, logistical, agricultural, and construction robots were displayed. Tragically, Xiaomi, who debuted the cybercriminal's humanoid robot, was absent. Uptech Robotics' Walker robot was absent from the event. Visitors flocked to the bionic and humanoid robots even without them. Cloudmind Technologies, a Chinese humanoid service robot and face recognition system company, delivered Cloud Ginger XR1, which danced for Expo guests. The robot's 34 clever flexible joints in the neck, shoulders, elbows, wrists, arms, waist, and knees allow for seamless movement. Cloud Ginger can drink, move independently, and avoid obstacles with various 2D and 3D cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, microphones, tricycle chassis, and universal wheels. At 158 centimeters tall and 65 kilograms, the graceful humanoid robot is beautiful. This earned it the Chinese Red Star Design Award. Robots can hear, speak, see, and move. Its uses range from education and senior care to hotel, business center, advertising, mass marketing, and entertainment acts. China's intelligent humanoid robot research and development pioneer X-Robots also produces bionic skin and mass-produces bionic robots. Humanoid robots and metaverse technologies were used to establish the Science and Technologies Museum of the Future X project. They displayed humanoid robots like Albert Einstein, Teresa Teng, a sympathetic robot, and an avatar robot. X-Robots have been made using our technology for over a decade. We want to develop humanoid robots that more resemble people. Thus, their production method is the most complicated. For what? To help them fit into society so they can replace humans at work. The most interesting X-Robots exhibit was a robot avatar that resembled an employee. It mimics facial expressions and movements picked up by the camera. Another robot was developed to recognize and respond to human emotions, developers say. The anthropomorphic X-Robots robots have an individually built robot operating system and 140 degrees of body movement. Dozens of flexible drives control the robot's torso and limbs, making their movement and facial expressions more realistic. China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation demonstrated the underwater bionic robot. Scientists employ underwater intelligent bionic robot JSW-3 to promote their findings. The display featured JSW-3, a featherless porpoise. Two versions are 1 2/10 of a meter long and half a meter. One charge powers these robots for 8 or 4 hours. Unitree Robotics launched the event with a huge dancing show with 100 Go-1 dogs and many robot models. The company also develops artificial intelligence, cloud security, a cloud system of remote control terminals for smart robots, and learning programs and platforms. Hangzhou-based Unitree Corporation. Since our founding, almost 6 years have gone. Our product portfolio includes small, medium, and large canines with several uses. Consider a little dog. It aids research, amusement, and accompaniment. These pets can guide and protect lonely seniors. Medium and large dogs patrol petrochemical and power facility inspections. Robots Go-1 went on sale a year ago and has sold 10,000 copies. Unitree Robotics is the only Chinese robot company with European, North American, Japanese, and other quality certificates. All company robots can have manipulators added. Beijing-based Relman, which makes ultralight robotic manipulators, displayed an intriguing intelligent dual manipulator platform at the premiere. The exhibition robot can perform activities autonomously with one arm and 2 arms simultaneously like a human. The platform's lower half has a mobile robot that can avoid obstacles. The robot also has a speech module and deep vision technologies for voice and visual perception. Meituan became one of the most technologically advanced Chinese service organizations in 12 years by offering innovative logistics and warehousing solutions. Prepared cuisine, groceries, flowers, and other things are its specialties. Meituan also does marketing, supply chain management, and finance. About 40 million people use it daily. Meituan showcased smart sorting and delivery solutions at the World Robot Conference, including its independently created new generation unmanned delivery vehicle with a 150 kilograms payload, 540 liters, and 120 kilometers city road range on one charge. China's first autonomous robot delivery company operates in Beijing and Shenzhen. After 800 days and 1.5 million kilometers, the autonomous couriers delivered 2,200,000 orders. The company's booth featured a 3D sorting system with moving sorting robots, a container shelving system, and an operating platform. The system can run in a set mode despite disruptions. Although children frequently interfered with the exhibition, the movement remained steady. At the WRC 2022, Beijing Lesitech, an emergency robot manufacturer, unveiled its latest Scout robot. This robot can survive 10 minutes at 350 degrees Celsius. The compact 45-kilogram robot can move at 1 2/10 meters per second and function autonomously for 3 hours. The fire department can send the robot into the building to evaluate the fire scene, assess structural damage and flame propagation, and check the people's vital signs. In harmful gas situations, it works too. The business was the first to market a fireman robot that can endure 1,000 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. The robot has been used by Chinese emergency services for years. The fair featured many industrial robots. The Yaskawa Shujing robot showed a new automobile battery component line. It has 7 industrial robots and 10 processes. A production management system collects, stores, and monitors robots and processes data on the line. Direct Drive displayed its 2-wheeled robot Diablo at the Expo. The Diablo is a wheeled and multi-legged robot. Its legs bend and straighten autonomously. The 23-kilogram robot can jump sideways up to 8 centimeters and on the spot up to 14 centimeters thanks to its design. It overcomes hurdles steadily. 5 centimeters tall with 1 foot can overcome 10 centimeters tall hurdles. Diablo can patrol in all weather with the camera and is quiet. It is shockproof. Thus, the robot will stay stable even after a heavy collision. Diablo can carry 100 kilograms. Uncharged runtime is 4 hours. The cost is around $2,300. China's rapid advancements in robotics are reshaping industries and pushing the boundaries of innovation. From AI-powered humanoids to fully autonomous machines, the future is unfolding before our eyes. As these robots become more advanced and integrated into everyday life, one question remains: how will the rest of the world keep up? What do you think about China's robotic revolution? Is it a sign of unstoppable progress or a glimpse into a high-tech future we're not ready for? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates in AI and robotics.